How to get $70 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Shein promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you Shein promo codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. If you're just looking for the coupons, you can head towards the section of coupons. Now in this page, you will be able to find only coupons. You can just scroll and check 15% coupon, 20% coupon, $30 coupon, and many more. If you're interested in any of the coupon and want to use it, click on the option of Show Coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Shein, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of View Discount at Shein. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section for promo code. Over there, paste the code. With that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, you can check out this website as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Shein. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $70 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.